building of 34 Monmouth Place. So yesterday and the day before, a bulldozer came and took this guy's dirt. This is what he took, and when he did it, he came out and holy shit, he destroyed this guy's water meter area. He just went over it, you know. So there's the dirt. Yep. They put it here. There's the track. Track of the bulldozer making a right. But today they installed this gas-fired generator. This is the, like, I guess main dining room or something. It's a very large room. Maybe an entertainment room. And they finished putting the tiles down. Yeah, pretty big ones. But it's still working here in the basement. Putting these tiles. This is in the bathroom. No window in here. And this is what you see, you know, in this room. You don't get much sunlight or anything. But you get some light. But in this room you get a lot of light. So this room here, this bedroom is probably the brightest in the basement. This is another smaller bedroom. Looks like 12 by 12 maybe. Here we are in the master bedroom. Bunch of tiles. I guess this is going to be for the bathroom. Here's another bathroom. Got this interesting kind of tile. It's all tile, everything here. And going into the bathroom, you got yourself a, this is one of the ones with a bathtub and a shower. And this is a little teeny tiny room. But this room I have the way for you to get into the attic in order to fix stuff. Yeah, they're doing the bathroom the same as the other one with this nice siding here. And these nice, look like pretty large tiles. Well, they're all done tiling and now they're caulking. These caulk lines are kind of really tiny. Some more caulking they're doing using white. But these caulk lines are so tight, these grout lines, sorry, that they're grouting. And it's hard to do these kind of thin. The only room I found so far with any tile on it at all. It goes right into this closet. This here is the bathroom. First floor bathroom, closest to the north side. Wondering if they're going to be putting tile against this wall. Oops, I missed grouting this apart. Section of the second floor, the bathroom. Pretty much all the second floors is about 90% finished, maybe not more than 90, maybe 85% finished because of the bathroom in the front, north wall. And here, this bathroom on the south wall. Okay, we're heading on to the first floor. And now we're heading for the basement. That's the second front door. Now this is the way to the basement. Well, they're still working hard on the basement floor. Same floor as the other two levels. Except them, they go a long way. They have to do all the grouting here. The electricians were here today, but aside from some hanging wires, which already were there, I didn't notice this before in basement, the way they did this, this overhang thing. And this is the view from the basement window. I guess they're inserting new holes in the ceiling. This is all the doors in the house. My goodness, look at all these doors. They're all molding. And we've been working on the path. Make it look nice. Here's when Joe and his family moves in. They'll have a nice view looking out this window. With fig trees, berries, and all kinds of stuff to eat just by walking around. Here we are in the main bedroom, master bedroom, and master bathroom is over here. And walk-in closet is over here. Nice. Well, we're coming in through the basement door. See, you go up those steps. And look at all they've done. Wow, look at this. They put in the closet doors. They're putting in the molding. Molding's pretty pretty simple molding. Yep, there's the basement. The doors over there. And doors over here, closet doors. So the molding's kind of simple. See, it's like comes out like that. It's about a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch thick. You still got a lot of graving to do. Here we are on the second floor. Boy, these guys are really moving along. The molding is getting put in, all the doors are being put in. We're here on the second floor, and this is the north side of the house. This is the view of the path that is next to their property. Now they were all gung-ho before, putting it in real fast, but then they went away and never finished grading this floor. And there's the path. The path is getting done faster than the house. The inspector came over, and the landscaper, they said this has to come out. Not too much has been going on at this house, and not too much electrical work. They put this in, not really sure what it is. Here, this is where the pump, to pump out any liquid or flooding into this basement goes. The pump's not there yet. This area, the breakfast nook, best room in the whole house. Nothing's been happening here. I think when they were here, they were putting in some of these sliding doors. You know, inside the wall doors, like that. That's kind of cool. For this room, they got glass doors. I'm not really sure what this room is. I have to look at the floor plan. And they installed this way to get into the attic so that they could work on when the heater goes bad up here. Because if you remember, the heater is right around there somewhere. They put the air conditioners in. I think they tried to compensate for the grading by digging these holes and putting it underneath each air conditioner. Today they also tidied up the yard, threw everything in the dumpster. They had a cleanup crew come in and they just cleaned the place up. Yep, there's another room that wasn't graded yet. That's all cleaned up. Well, it's Saturday, it's July, and they were here. They graded stuff. They're beginning to put in the light switches here and here. And then that goes down into the basement. All the floors are wet down here. I don't know what's going on. Because these windows being open, they close. Yep, so here we go. Very wet basement. Floors are all wet. They also put some banisters up leading from the basement to the first floor. Also put the banisters going from the first floor to the second floor. And here's the stairway going downstairs. And they're finishing up this bathroom. So they're putting in all these outlets up here at the house. Well, they finally graded the master bedroom. So I think they just might be done with the grouting stage. Looks like they're all finished grouting and doing the tile work here in the master bathroom. Outlets put in. And this is the backyard. And that's the big pile of dirt. And that's the pool. And that's what they see. This is the back of their yard. And here's that big old pile of dirt. Look at it. They had to spread apart this whole property. And that's where their house is. Little drama about this pool. The wife hates it over here. She wants it more center around where the steps are coming down, you see? That's where the steps are coming down. And she wanted the pool to be closer to the steps and more centered to the property. Guys were here and they leveled this off somewhat so they can get to the pool with the bulldozer. So this is what they did. They sprayed gravel all around the pool. In fact, they took it all the way to the property line. Now they're bringing in the kitchen furniture and stuff. There's the staging area for all the kitchen cabinets they're going to be installing. Very light color. See, this is like a, I don't know, a golden oak kind of color. Here's another staging area for, I guess, closets and stuff, bedrooms, things like that. Or the bathrooms, that's probably what this is. Bathroom cabinetry. We're in the basement. And it looks like all that water has dried up. Here's the main kitchen area. And right over there, that's where the sink is gonna go. Here is where the kitchen sink is gonna be. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna guess that's where the ice machine is gonna go. All right, we're in the main room. Here's where the two refrigerators are gonna go. Yeah, right over here, right there, that's where the stove is gonna go. Here's the pantry. Originally, this was gonna be the butler's kitchen. Outside the butler's kitchen, we have a wine area. I guess that's where the wine cooler will be going. Here's some more things on the staging area that they're going to be installing, I guess, this week. We're heading upstairs because they did some work up here in the children's area. This is the children's room, and they put in these nice shelves, probably bookshelves. And over here is where they could study and have a desk. Well, I'm not really sure what is going on in this room. It's the only room that didn't have any tile on it. I see a crack in the floor. I wonder if that has something to do with it. Well, nothing's really happening here in the basement. Electricians are working. Looks like got a little bit of security. Hallelujah. This is what they're doing down here. I'm guessing they're going to do something to beautify these lally columns. And they're installing closet shelves and bars. Painters have been here. Looks like they're just doing a little putty work where they paint to cover the nail holes, and they installed the molding. Well, the guys came in and they painted. And they put down this paper on the floor, and there's the owners. On the second floor, and they've been painting up here the molding. They did a nice job covering all these floors. We're here all week, and they're painting. So the color of this wall seems to be like a beige, very light beige. They also painted here in the kitchen, although they haven't really finished, and there's going to be a little bit more damage to these walls, I'm sure. They have to put in the molding over here, and they're going to bring these painters back in. We're on the second floor, and they completed painting up here as well, all the way down the hallway to the other room. A little bit of walking for you to show you just how long it is. I mean, this is one heck of a long hallway for a private home. And this is the room. Gotta be a library, study room, stuff like that. In case you're interested, here is the evolution of that path. And you see this here tree? This here is a tree of heaven. And all that is designed to keep those spotted lanternflies off the tree. And it's working. We're in the basement. Paper's still on the floor. They got this paint down here yet, so they're not done. They came by yesterday and they removed the generator. They put it in too soon. They can't get a bulldozer through it with it there, and to go back here and do some landscaping. And there it is. There's the generator in the garage. That'll be reinstalled after the landscaping.